Hey, what's up guys? So today I am working on my welcome home poster for my fiance. He arrives in town very soon. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to make a nice poster just for him so that he feels welcome when he gets here. You're going to need glitter, glue sticks, Sharpies, stencils, and anything else cute you can think of to add on to it. We're going to turn this into something nice and fun. Let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is go through these stencils here and pick which ones I need to make the phrase, "Welcome home, my soldier." That's what I want to put. So I've gotten my first set of stencils ready here. I'm going to get ready to put welcome. So this is kind of how it's looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and finish. I decided to do soldier in this stencil as well, but I do have a special idea for that part. So this is how everything looks with all the stencil done. You can see it just says, "Welcome home, my soldier." So now I'm going to get to the part where I add on all the fun little embellishments. The first thing I'm going to do is take my glue stick and I'm going to go ahead and make soldier sparkle. Just want a subtle sparkle, not too much because I don't want it to be like embarrassing, but I want him to know that it's me. So I lightly dusted it with glitter, and this is pretty much what it's looking like. So just enough sparkle without being too much. Perfect. Now I'm just going to add in some fun color. So I just got some soft pink rose petals to go down here around the soldier. I thought that would be nice and romantic. Really pretty pink bow. And I'm going to add that to the corner there. So that completes my welcome home poster for my fiance. I feel like it's very simple yet cute. It's definitely going to stand out, but in a subtle way. Anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed. Bye!